Hello Twitter, my name is Wasku Smart FX. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we have been dealing with a series from a month ago, which is called the institutional market structure. So on this channel today, we'll be discussing the episode 8 on this channel. So whereby we'll be looking at gold in the same dimension but with different angles. Like we'll be looking at the goal that played out in a life moment, like it played out live, and we'll be looking at an example of a goal that played out in institutional market structure that played out last week. I've been away for like last 2 weeks now. I've been away, so I was working on some projects on other new series we can talk about that can make forex trading more easy and kind of conducive for everyone that come across the channel on YouTube. But for today, let's look at another market structure explained on gold. So the time frame used is 15 minutes. So I hope everybody that have seen this institutional market structure, or you are in my YouTube channel, or you are in my Telegram channel, you can be able to take this trade, because most of all my trade on gold have been taken using the institutional market structure. And if you look at episode 1, episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 to this time now, you see we have been learning the same pattern repeatedly, how it occurs in various dimensions, how it occurs in various pairs, and how it occurs. I think by now it is kind of so repeatedly or so kind of consecutive that you should be able to have memorized the pattern by now. It's beyond pattern. That's why I explained the ideology behind it, whereby you can lay hold at an higher time frame that this market is going to be in this form. Then you come down to a lower time frame to see the market footstep. There is a way market moves. I have studied this for a while now, like 2-3 years now. I have been studying it. I have seen that there's only a way market maker moves. Like they did not just move like buying, selling, buying, selling. There's a kind of liquidity tap two steps that they work with. So if you can understand this two step, and this is one of the two steps that they use. I have shown it to you. We have been talking about it for about 8 episode right now. So today's also, I would like you to take this YouTube serious, and you can also if you're your friend here, let's go the community, the channel. So let's get started to today's work. So this is good here, 15 minutes. I'm supposed to like cancel out every annotations. I want you to look at it. But before we go, in the first step of using this market institutional structure, the first step is that you have to see something from the higher time frame, something that will give you a confidence. That's why I love trading on higher time frame a lot, because I know that the little move on 4 hours, just a week, can be very big in lower time frame. So that's why I have to see something on no higher time frame. That's why I'm bringing out this ideology to you guys that, okay, fine, you guys have to see something on higher time frame that will give you confidence so that you can have faith in what you are doing. I hope you understand. So that you will believe, then you can be able to put your money and be rest assured. Even though you lose, you at least lose on something that you have an understanding of. I hope you understand. So I am not just trying to lay a pattern onto you. This is not a retail pattern. This is not a retail pattern, because there is an ideology that forms inside this pattern. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So now, let me show you something on my YouTube, my Telegram channel. I want to show you something that I saw why we took this trade, and it's just that I like try to analyze the chart, and I was saying, oh, market is going to enter the fair value gap, stuff like that. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. This is gold 1 hour chart. Hope you can see it here. So let me open up. So you can see this gold 1 hour chart. I was on my Telegram channel. I was focusing on that fair value gap, telling people that, oh, market is going to be a buyer inside the fair value gap. Like I was trying to build a kind of point of interest on that fair value gap. So which means that when market get to the fair value gap, I'm going to be a buyer, but I'm not going to be a buyer based on the fair value gap. I hope you understand. So that is why I will come down to a lower time frame to see something, to see a footstep, things that will give me a confidence to go on. Now, if I trade on 1 hour, it will be of a long pace, it will be a long pace, and I may not be able to withstand it due to my account. I'm able to withstand it, so that I go to the lower time frame to lower it down and look for a way to trade it more. So that's it. And okay, so this is the 1 hour fair value gap I was talking about. Let me move to 1 hour chart. So this is the 1 hour chart. I hope you can see it here. Where I was telling market to move inside it and go up. So that is the 1 hour chart I was. So that is the place I was expecting a buy from. So let's go to the 2-minute chart again. So this is the 1 hour chart here. This is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour POI. You can see it here. 1 hour fair value gap. So I want you to look at this chart yourself. I want you to look at this chart yourself. Before I put on an annotation, I want you to look at this chart yourself and like annotate it yourself and see if you can see the pattern yourself. I hope you understand. So I want to let you to see if you can see it yourself. So annotate it yourself and see if you can see it. Pause the video. Yes, pause the video, because that is the only way you can learn. If I do it myself, you are going to feel it like a magic. You are going to see it as if it is very easy. So that is why you have to do it yourself also. Pause the video, annotate it yourself. Yes, do it now. Pause the video. Okay, if you don't pause the video, I'm going to do it myself. Let's go. So now you see this is the, okay, let me put a kind of, so that you will not miss this standard. So this is the 1 hour POI that I was looking at for markets to buy. So market has a low here. You see this low. So this low here, I can call it what, that's we have a short time low. We have a short time low. We have a short time low here. So when market goes up here, then come down into the POI. The moment market breaks the structure, this is the structure that this is the eye. This is the eye that gave us this low. So you can see it here. We have a structure broken, but that is not the whole focus, because after we have a structure broken, market goes up and it was in the same zone. Let me put on here. You can see it here. This is the whole scenarios. You can see it here. This, when market goes down, then it was unable to break this high. Then okay, I think that okay, market is going to sell again. But what happened is that market does not have the ability. So you can see it here. So the moment we have this, the market goes down. Then this low was broken. This high was broken also. So which means that we have a what here? We have a short time low here also. So which means we have a short time low here. We have a short time low here. Market break the structure here. So which means that this low will be what? Enemy of time low. So we have the intermediate time low. So we have short time low, intermediate time low, short time low. So the moment market break this structure, we have our what? Market structure broken. This place, market structure broken, the market goes up. Then I found a block called a proportion block. I think I've studied that before. A proportion block is a block that traded inside an other block. It's just like a connectivity. Instead of choosing the other block, you choose the block that traded inside the other block. That is a proportion block. So let me show you on my Telegram the trade we took. Okay, bear with me for a while. Okay, we took many trades, bro. Actually, that's this. Okay, this is here. So I hope you can see it here. See the whole annotation that I did here was that this low, and this low. Then see the proportion block. I was waiting for the proportion block. Then guess what? Market give me a fine sell, a fine buy. then I was able to like, so I think even it was 70 pairs or like that. So yeah, to okay, so okay, so you can see it here also. So let me show this. So you can see the whole scenarios that occur here. How the market enter into the proportion block and be a buyer. So that is the kind of scenarios we are looking for. Just put your stop loss below here, then your take profit 1 to 2. So this was even more than 1 to 2. So the profit target was more than 1 to 2. So that we took 222 pips. 200, and you can see it here, go 222 pips, and you can see how many pips are there too. Yeah, we have 222 pips here also. So which means that this kind of trade can be so long. Yes, I know. Like it can may not occur every day, it may not occur every week. But guess what? When it occurs, it will actually pay. It will actually give you the reward of your patience. So which means that the whole scenarios of the forex market is just talking about your patience. What differentiates the 1% that wins from the 99% that lose is just what they call patience. Some of those 1% have learned a mystery in this forex market, which is called the mystery of patience, whereby you can be able to wait for your trade even though it takes you a month. But this guess what, this kind of strategy does not take a month. Like every week there is a high possibility that it occurs every week. I can show you a consecutive week that it occurs. It occurs every week because you are not going to trade one trade, actually one pair. You are trading more than one pairs, two pairs. So I'm telling you now that it occurs. It occurs most. Yeah, it occurs most. So you can see it's very simple. By now, I hope everyone on this YouTube channel should be able to have learned the whole full step and to have learned the whole market, the institutional market strategy, which means that the strategy is not just about the pattern, it's about the implication, it's about the ideology that was made inside the pattern. You see, I did not just be a buyer because I see this pattern. I was a buyer because I found a POI on my 1 hour chart. Not just a 1 hour chart, it was also in 4 hours. Like the whole buying scenario. Let me show you. Okay, I think okay, let me show you here. Okay, we have this. Okay, okay, let me. So you can see it here. This is a 4 hour chart. I was telling them that okay, market structure is bearish on 4 hour chart, but I want market to retrace inside the fair value gap in 4 hour chart, which means that at that particular moment, market is actually at discount zone. So I want market to go to the premium. So which means that I was at discount at 4 hours, then I come to 1 hour chart to be a buyer. What means is that I'm in a discount, then I want to buy to a premium zone. I hope you understand. So when I saw all these things, it occurs, then that is why I put everything together. This is the 1 hour chart. You can see how it is buying. So I put everything together to be a buyer. So that's just the ideology about it. This is how the ideology about it. You can see it here 222 pairs. So if you want to join the YouTube channel, the Telegram channel, the link is in the description. You can just join. It's free, so you can have access to all these outlines, all these outline, all the charts, and even the trade, because I usually drop the trade here for people that want to. Okay, you can see. Okay, another one occur also on Friday. Let me show you. Okay, look at this chart. I want you to annotate the chart yourself and see it yourself. You can see it here. We have this high here. The market goes down, then it goes up again, then it comes down, breaking this low. I have a bit of market structure. The market goes up, then it was unable to break this high. So which means that this high is automatically what, intermediate time high. This is a short time high, intermediate time high, and a short time high. Then the moment it break this low, it is called what, market structure broken or market structure shift. And that is why I put my entry where the other block. You can see the block was very long, so it nearly discouraged me actually, but I found kind of encouragement to trade it. So I hope you can see it on Friday. This was on Friday. Yes, let me show you on my chart also. I think I have it on my chart. Yes, I have it on my chart too. This was on Friday. You can see it's kind of not very far. You can see I saw two trades in a week with the same pattern. So everything I'm just trying to tell you is not kind of, it's not kind of, I'm trying to like tell you things that is not real. It's very, very real. You can trade it, you can have it as your personal strategy. But one thing about it is that you have to know the do and don't do. You have to understand everything about what you are doing. See, you can see the whole scenario there. I even tried to enter a sell from here also, but that's not our major focus. So our major focus is actually this trade. You can see this whole trade. I gave it out. That's 100 plus. You can see it's 100 pips, just 100 pips, just like that, because you know an institutional market structure that backs your trade up. How can you understand? So that is the whole scenario of trading. That is how everything works. So you have to understand the patterns, understand the why you are trading. Why? The why is very, very, very important. Why are you trading it? Why are you selling? Why are you buying? If you don't want to lose your money, then you have to answer the why question every time you want to trade. The why question is very, very, very important. So thank you for watching. Thank you for taking your time out to watch the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The more you share, the more you like it, the more you subscribe, the more you even put a comment. I want to see you commenting what you felt, that okay, this is what I felt about the video. I want you to put it under the comment section. I want to hear what you feel about the video, so that you can grow the community, you can become higher, so you can reach out to people that are losing their money in everyday basis. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching the video.